In this question, we have a semicircle with center at O, and inside it we have a circle shaded in yellow color. Let its center point be M. O and P are the point of contact between this semicircle and yellow circle. PQ, this line segment, measures 7 root 2 units, and we are asked to find the area of this yellow shaded circle. So area of any circle is given by the formula pi times square of its radius. So if we are able to find the radius of this yellow circle, we can find its area. For that, let us do one construction here. So O is the center of this semicircle and M is the center of this circle. So if we join them and produce them, so we are producing this OM up to point P. So this OMP will be a straight line, and in this case it will be a diameter of this small circle. Now question comes, why? Because we have a theorem that if we join the circles of two centers which are touching each other either internally or externally, then the point of contact lies on the line or the line produced. So from this theorem we get that OMP will be a straight line because M is the center of this yellow circle. So this will be diameter of this yellow circle. So let us assume that the radius of this yellow circle is small r. So OM will be small r, and likewise MP will also be small r. Here OQ, let us assume as capital R, the radius of this semicircle. So if we see here, OP will also be the radius of this semicircle. So we get a relationship between capital R and small r. So capital R is equal to twice this small radius, small r. So now focus on triangle OPQ. So let me draw it outside. So this point is O, this point is Q, this point is P, and this will be 90 degree. Why? Again we have a theorem that this OQ will be tangent to this yellow circle, and M and O, MO, this line segment is the radius. So we have a theorem that if we have a circle and if we have a tangent, then from the center to the point of contact, if we draw any line segment, they make 90 degree with each other. So this is a right angle triangle OPQ, where OP will be capital R, OQ will be capital R, and PQ is given as 7 root 2. So we will apply Pythagorean theorem here. So R square plus R square will be 7 root 2 whole square. So 2R square will be 49 times 2. We can divide both sides by 2. So R will be square root of 49, that is 7 units. So we have found R as 7 units, which will be equal to twice small radius. So small radius will be 7 divided by 2. So now we can substitute the value of R here, which is 7 upon 2 whole square. So this will be 49 pi by 4 square units. If you want to get more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.